Today is the 31st of August 2011, and happy 30 to you all. The time in London is 9 minutes past 6 p.m. That's exactly 9 minutes past 1 p.m. Eastern Time. Okay? For those of you who are new to us, we are the TSTWSYS 08 traders, and our website is www.stochastic-macd.com. Okay, we have sold Dow Jones at 11660. We are going to place going to draw horizontal line there to show you exactly what's happening here. Okay, Dow Jones has been sold at this level here at 11660. Okay, why? Because as you can see, the price was in a downtrend first. Okay, if we draw another line on this chart, by the way, this video is for educational purposes only. It's neither a solicitation or an offer to buy, okay, or sell any financial instrument, and it's primarily for the TSTWSYS 08 traders. Okay, as you can see clearly here, the trend line was broken. Okay, on this 2-minute chart of the Dow Jones. Okay, so the price was in a declining channel here. Okay, as you can see, I will draw another line here to make it parallel to the previous one. Moment please. Okay, drawing a parallel line to the previous trend line. Okay, something like this. Okay, so we can see clearly that this declining channel, the price finally break above it, okay, and ran away fast. Okay, the price came back to retest this horizontal line now when I'm moving my cursor. Okay, why are we selling? Okay, that's the question. Okay, think of it. Okay, the price started going up, went up to this level, pulled back. This was a high, a higher low compared to this low here. Okay, so there was a higher high here. There was a high, not a higher high. There was a high here, but there was a higher low here. So a high here, and then we have a new high here. This is a higher high. This one here, a higher high. But look what's happened as the price tried to find support. As the price was pulling back, it break below the previous high. Why? Why it has to break below the previous high? Now it break below the previous high. Okay, it tried to retest it here with this candle here, but look, some traders sold it down. Okay, can you see that? This blue one here. I'll remove my cursor so you can see. See, they sold it down. This one here. Okay, so we want to sell also at 11660. Okay. That's why we want to sell, because you don't break below the previous high in normal condition. Okay, decision was not made on 2-minute chart because of what we see on the 2-minute chart, but our decision was made on the a higher time frame, and the higher time frame that my apology for that that I'm looking at now is the 3-hour chart. As you can see, we sold Dow Jones earlier on today, come in the waves. Okay, price went down up to the zone of 11600. We were expecting the down move to continue. Okay, but if you look carefully on the 2-minute chart, this was the first area wave from where I placed my cursor. First area wave from here, okay, down to this level here, and the second area wave from here up to this level here, and the third area wave from here, okay, down to this level here, and the fourth area wave from here up to this level here, and the fifth area wave from here down to this level here. When we were here, we were thinking that we will have a complex third area wave, but in fact the trend has ended here because the declining channel has been broken. Break above it. Not only break above it, it ran away without any pullback. Okay, the first pullback was here. So our expectation to have a complex third area wave, okay, did not materialize. Okay, So we are now selling Dow Jones at 1160 at this level here. Okay, so we will see what the price will do. As you can see, the price went back above the 1160, 1160. It went above it. Now it's coming back below it. We will see. Okay, attention on the support levels when you are selling. Okay, now, so that's it really. So talking about the 3-hour chart, we counted, if you watch the video that we titled Real-Time Day Trader Part 1, okay, we count 5 waves. If you haven't watched the video Real-Time Day Trader Part 1, you can perfectly go and watch it. Real-Time Day Trader, Real-Time Day Trader, okay. So now we want to sell Dow Jones again because we are, okay, in the overbought zone. If you are in overbought zone, you don't just sell, but when you receive a signal to sell in overbought zone, you will take it. It's just simple. Okay, going back again to the 2-minute chart. Okay, we look what's happened. Okay, we are waiting, still waiting. I mean, we are already in this trade now. Okay, entry point at 1160. I'll use in this particular case a stop loss, because what the price usually do, the price will try to come back and retest the previous high, which is this one here. This was the last high before the signal to sell. So that's 16 pips. So I'll place my stop loss 1160. I'll use a 40 pips for the Dow Jones because of the volatility of this index. Okay, 40. So my stop loss will be at 11700 right here, up here. 40 pip stop loss. For all trade we must use a stop loss and apply the 5% money management rules. What I'm going to do now, as I'm doing this live now, I'll draw another trend line on this 2-minute chart. Nothing stopping me to do that. That's my own chart. Okay, a bit of a difference in this charting software now. Draw this one. There is a trailer here. Okay, if you agree, that's it. So in fact, the price break below it, try to retest it. Now some traders are responding and selling. It's not too bad, but if you don't mind me drawing more on this chart, okay, can perfectly draw another line here, horizontal line here. Okay, so there is a horizontal channel here. So some high frequency trader will be busy taking their first profit again here. Those are crazy high frequency trader will take some profit here. All right, don't worry about it, just take advantage of it. Okay, so we will see how the price will behave when it comes to this level here. What's going on? We watch it. Keep your eyes on the ball. Don't blink. Okay, don't blink. Okay, just keep watching the price, understanding the language of the channel. Okay, 3 channels, 1 horizontal, 1 declining, 1 rising all the time. There's another one here. I'll draw it for you. If you disagree with me, okay, I'll just show you what's the price doing. 3 things. Okay, 3 channels. Okay, when you're going to make a trading decision, you just ask yourself, which channel do we have here? And it will become clear to you if you ask that question all the time. You start loving the price. Okay, now something like this. Okay, so you see a declining channel. Okay, we were in a declining channel. Now we come out of a declining channel. When we come out of a declining channel, we are not very enthusiastic to sell. You can understand that. Okay, when we were in a declining channel, we can be very enthusiastic to sell. Now we are out of it. We are in a rising channel here. We were, okay, enthusiastic to buy, but I wasn't myself. Okay, trader will be enthusiastic to sell, to buy in a rising channel here. I wasn't buying, but I'm okay. Now we break below a rising channel. Okay, a new channel may be formed. We are now in a horizontal channel. Can you see that? Okay, this level and this one here. If it display a new lower low and a new higher, a new lower high. If the price displays a new lower lows and a new lower high, we are again in another new channel, declining channel. Okay, but as I told traders, some traders come and buy the TSCW24. Okay, but this is just the beginning of it, because it's a learning process. And we posted videos at www.best-trading-strategy.com, and it's up to the traders to watch it and master the TSCW24. If they have any question, they can perfectly send us the question. Okay, learning to trade. Okay, I mean, it's perfectly your choice. A lot of traders trade different way. Okay, there are different style of trading. Traders have different way of the trade. Okay, I'm not saying that there's one particular way to trade. There are different ways traders can trade, but there are things that remain intact in the market, which we call stable datums. Okay, in the market, stable datum, like a higher time frame, lower time frame. Okay, this is a stable data, the stable data in the market, and also the market is global. Okay, that's also a stable data in the market. And something we always say, the price does not hide anything, is also a stable data in the market. And with those things, we work together with the market patterns, which are different from the price patterns. The market patterns are trend, post-trend, declining channel, horizontal channel, rising channel. Same story over and over on all time frame. There are other things also traders use, what they call a fractal patterns, fractal signals. Okay, where the pattern repeats itself on many time frame. Okay, or a signal, the same signal repeats itself on many time frame. Okay, so if you are a new trader trying to master your ability to trade, it takes time, but it takes also practice to get there. So if you are doing it now, keep doing it. Just simple. Just keep doing it. Keep doing it. Practicing. Okay? Practicing. Remember, like soldiers, yeah? Practicing. Okay? And the drill, the training triangle is what we use for the drill. Okay? The drill. Okay? You must drill it. So you want to do something, you plan it, and then you drill it. Yeah? If you know somebody who has been in the army before, ask them. They practice. Okay, like in real time. Okay, before they take action. Okay, so drill it. Okay, drill it. Practice, drill it. Okay, if you want to master one pattern, you can choose, for instance, an inverted head and shoulder. You want to become an expert of an inverted head and shoulder, or you want to become an expert of a head and shoulder pattern, or you want to become an expert of triangles, you want to become an expert of any a price pattern, or you want to become expert of one indicator, MACD, RSI, and just work on it, but know that the price is the number one indicator. But don't fool yourself thinking that, okay, in 1 week, okay, in 1 month, that's it, you're going to start trading like the best traders out there. That's completely wrong. Okay, the experience counts. Okay, so enough of my blah blah. But sometimes this blah blah important for some traders. That's why we do it sometimes. Okay, so as you can see, okay, I'm already in these trades in that 11660, and the price is being very friendly to me, as always. The Dow Jones, you see, coming down nicely. Okay, so I will pause the video at this point because this is an educational video only. Okay, I'll pause it and we'll come back to it and see how much we are able to get out of this trade. Okay, because we don't want the video to be too long. I've been speaking to you now nearly 14 minutes, so I want my video to be like 20 minutes long. Okay, maximum. So we'll come back to this very soon. Thank you for watching. Okay, so pausing, I'm going to pause the video and come back to it. Okay, traders, there is some activity taking place here. As you can see, a bit of a fast move, okay, happening here. Okay, our entry point was at 11660. The price now at 11634, and now as you can see, the price came out of this horizontal channel. Okay, what I'm going to do now, I will project my channel. Okay, that's what we say to traders. Okay, project your channel. Okay, equal measure. A moment, please. Somewhere here. Okay, if you accept that, now what I will do the third one ready here. Okay, equal measure somewhere in this region. Okay, so we will see what will happen. Now, as I told you, I want a video to be like 20 minutes. So what I'm going to do now, I will pause the video again, and then I will show you what has happened. Okay, so this is what I'm going to do now, because I don't want the video to be too long. Okay, so pausing the video for the second time. Alright, traders, profit being taken, part profit being taken at this point at 11619. The Dow Jones was sold at 11660. We're expecting the price to reach the third channel right below here at 11600. This level here, we're expecting the Dow Jones to come to that section. Now, as you see, breaking below it, we're expecting to come to 11600. Some traders took profit here. That's the blue candle here. We did a similar thing here. Okay, and the decision was made, as I showed you before, on the 3-hour chart, counting the waves. Okay, the higher time frame commands the lower time frame. Okay, so that will be the end of this video. I hope you enjoyed the video also, that you will put into practice in order to cream the market consistently. We are the TSTW SYS08 traders. Thank you for watching, and we will speak to you very soon.